Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the ellipse command. So let's start with this tutorial. Here I have opened a new sheet in my Autocad software. So now I can choose the ellipse command from this draw panel, or shortcut key for ellipse is EL. EL, enter. Now here, if you see this drop down, if you click on this drop down, then there are three options to draw the ellipse. First is center, second is axis and third is ellipse arc. First we'll see what is center. When we choose the center, here there is an instruction, specify center of the ellipse. I'll specify it here. Now I have to specify the radius of the x-axis. I'll give it 50, enter. Now I'll have to give the radius of y-axis. Here I'll give 20, enter. So this is our ellipse with center method. Now next is axis end. If you choose the axis end, here we will get the instructions, specify axis endpoint of ellipse. So first point I'll specify here. Then I have to give the diameter of the x-axis. Here I'll give 200, enter. Now I'll have to give the radius of the y-axis. Here I'll give 30, say enter. Now this is our ellipse with axis end method. Now third one is elliptical arc. Elliptical arc is used when you want to draw an arc in ellipse form. We see it here. Here I have chosen this elliptical arc. I'll specify the first point here. Then I'll give a distance of 150, enter. Now I'll give the radius of the y-axis. I'll give it 30, enter. Now I'll choose this point. Here you will get the instruction, specify start angle. So I'll start at this angle. Now you can see this arc is forming as you are moving your cursor. You can stop it wherever you want. I'll stop it here. Now there are another option. Click on this elliptical arc. I'll give a distance of 150. Here I'll give 25. Now there is an option here, parameter. I'll click on the parameter, then click on angle. Now here I'll start at this angle. Now here specify end angle. I'll give the end angle as 45 degree. Enter. So there will be a cut at the 45 degree in this ellipse. Now again I'll choose this elliptical arc. I'll give a distance of 130. Here I'll give 25. Now I'll choose this parameter, angle. I'll start from here. Now there is an option, included angle. Included angle, I'll give an angle of 45 degree. Say enter. Now there will be an arc of 45 degree and the rest of the arc will get erased. So hope you understand how to use this ellipse command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.